how to harvest a tree and optimize its survivability. Here are the steps to take using a tree spade with a wire basket. First, you center the tree spade on the base of the tree trunk and slowly insert each blade in the soil while keeping the base of the tree spade on the ground. Once the blades are fully inserted into the soil, lift the tree out of the ground and cut off any large roots that are outside the tree ball and let them fall into the hole. You bring over to the tree the Cherokee stronghold wire basket that is lined inside with burlap, and place the basket under the tree ball. Carefully lower the tree ball into the wire basket. Then retract each blade, leaving the tree ball in the basket. Open the gates of the tree spade and back the machine away from the tree. Shave the excess soil from the top of the tree ball down to the first lateral root. The burlap is folded around the trunk of the tree and stapled. The remaining burlap is pulled tight and folded on top of the tree ball and securely stapled. Using 3-ply Sisal twine, you star tie through the ends of the basket loops around the tree trunk as tight as possible. You then crimp the basket using a crimping tool to tighten the basket around the tree ball. This step is very important as it allows the tree to be handled and shipped, preventing the tree ball from loosening around its root structure, thereby ensuring the tree's survivability. Using 1-ply Sisal twine, tie together the tree top and then tie on a white fabric tree guard to the tree trunk to further protect during shipping and handling. This is the process. The tree is ready to ship and end up providing beauty, shade, and oxygen for all.